So if you show like a little bit of the 48 cruising through, right? Just a little thing of that, and then there's a tray 5 thing.
He's over there. Oh, great. Now you got that on camera. So we got the bed back on. Now we're on to the exhaust. We usually end up doing like a kit that we get from Summit. This one's a 409. So we'll go ahead and use the kit, use all the bends we need on it, kind of do our own exhaust system from it, and then just TIG weld everything, have some decent welds on there, just make it fit. That's pretty much it.
All right, today we're gonna pull off the ugly drum brakes, switch over to these nice cross-drilled and slotted discs. They're a lot more efficient, they look a lot cooler, and why not? All right, so one trick we're doing today, we're not pulling the axles. We're gonna save the customer a little bit of time. He's gonna have the axle rebuilt later, so we don't wanna break it open. So we're gonna cut the backing plate in half, and it'll actually drop off. And then the new brackets will get notched, so then they can slide over the axle and bolt in. All right, we're just gonna cut these tabs off right here to mount the calipers to it.
All right, we've been back from LST for 2 weeks now. Back on the L83 project. Obviously, we're doing more than just the engine swap, as you've seen. Last week, we worked on the exhaust. We did a 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless steel TIG welded exhaust that runs through 2 Borla mufflers. We did an X-pipe. Everything on this is all custom built. We weren't able to get up and over the axle just because of all the stuff in the way and the gas tank and the ride tech. But we did exit right behind, or right in front of the wheel. Muffler's right in front of that. Just a unique setup that I haven't seen before, but we try to keep them a little bit different than just a muffler shop exhaust. So that's done. This week we've put on the new brakes. We've got the AZ Pro Performance Revelator kits, 14-inch rotors. These are brand new. They're not remanufactured. They're not, rebuilt from a junkyard. These aren't part supply store stuff. Big rotors, so more surface area, so less brake fade, and it's a very affordable kit as well. Looks great, and it's going to look great behind these American racing wheels. We had a great time at LST. First time we set up a big booth like that. Really appreciate everybody coming and stopping by. Sold a ton of merch out there, a ton of shirts and hats. If you missed it, we still have shirts and hats for sale on the website, so go check that out. We really want to thank those guys over there at Lone Star Throwdown, Lonnie and Radar and those guys, everybody that helps out with that show. Couldn't have had a better experience for our first time doing a big booth like that. We'll be back next year. We're also going to try to hit up some more shows in the future. Make sure you're following and subscribing to the videos and our Instagram, and we'll let you know where we're going to be next.
Oh my God! I need to lose weight too.
Make more sense if you shut the f